Hey guys, have you ever wanted to use a Cricut? I bought a Cricut Maker 3. It's about $399. You can get it on Amazon and it's an amazing tool. So I have made everything from decals to nails to shirts and stickers. Everything you see here I made myself using AI, Procreate, and the Cricut. I want to share all my secrets with you guys and help you do the same. It's really great to be able to use this stuff at conventions, to be able to put your name on your stickers or your business card even, and just give them out that way. It also gives it more of a personalization. You're not all using the same kind of, fonts and things we find online. So this makes it way more artistic and cool. You guys will love and appreciate this. Before we go into it some more, please smash that like button and subscribe. The Cricut Maker 3 is $399, and that's just for the machine only. You will also need some other accessories. You'll definitely want to get some cutting mats. I ended up buying a few so I could have a few projects going at once. This is an example of a standard grip mat. They come in different grip strengths as well, so you might want to look at that depending on what project you're doing. You can see on my cutting mat currently, I have already something that I haven't weeded yet. This is a wedding themed holographic vinyl. I cut it out using my Procreate file that I transferred into the software program and then had the machine cut it out to scale. I will show you how to do all those things. That does take quite a few steps. Right now, I just want to show you basically that you'll need this mat, and this is where the paper comes in play, where you're going to be using some of that. But as you can see, the holographic vinyl is very shiny and very cool. So I was a fan of that instantly when I saw it, and I wanted to incorporate that into my nails. I thought that would be really shiny and cool looking for nails. So that is like initially what caught my eye for this project was just this holographic vinyl. So I'll show you links to that as well. You'll just have to go down in the description below. So that is the cutting mat. There also are some tools that come along with the kit version of this Cricut Maker 3. I will include a link below so you can have that as well. If you do want to buy a kit, it's $550, a little more expensive. But let me show you some of the tools. The tools include this palette knife, this plastic pusher tool, some tweezers, and then this weeding tool. And I feel like the weeding tool is the one I use the most. The weeding tool is the one that you're going to use to weed out the design from your either holographic or regular vinyl. You'll also use it for stickers. If you have little cuts in the stickers that you need to weed out, you'll be using this weeding tool. So this one is definitely a must. This tool right here is the scraping tool. It has two sides actually. One is more for scraping and one is more for pushing. I will show you how we're going to use this in the future, but this is definitely a must as well. Another really fun, cool thing you can do with the Cricut is make vinyl t-shirts. So vinyl t-shirts are interesting. They're definitely different than going to get a screen print t-shirt. Those are very expensive. So I was super interested in vinyl printing because not only can you put your own designs on the shirt, but the resolution is amazing. It's not like screen printing where you're just doing one monochrome style or maybe 2 or 3 colors. This does all the colors and you print from your color printer. Here's an example of something that I made in, I believe, Dolly 3, and then we put onto the shirt. In order to get this on the shirt, we did have to use the heat press as well. I don't recommend using an iron. An iron is very difficult to use with this project because you do not know the amount of pressure and the heat. It's not calibrated. So the heat press is definitely a good investment. You'll see the link for that in the description below. Okay, so we have some nails to look at as well. Nails are a hobby of mine. They're not something that I ever planned on selling, but now that I've gotten into this, I actually am interested in doing custom nails and things like that. So very cool. I picked up a new craft from just buying this Cricut. I don't think I was interested as much in nails before this because I wanted to put cooler designs on them, like stuff that I recognize, like Texas Chainsaw Massacre. I mean, like, you can't really go wrong with that. Printing on the holographic vinyl is sometimes challenging because it doesn't weed as easily as like the black vinyl. So that's something you should know going into a project like this, that the holographic vinyl is less flexible. So it is a little more challenging to work with for nails because you are forming it across like a convex shape. So it is going to take a little bit of folding, bending, and working with. But that's okay. Weeding it out is actually easier if you use certain settings. I will show you those in the future as well. Check out these Texas Chainsaw Massacre nails. Super proud of those. One of the fun things about doing nails like this is adding words into the nails. The Cricut can print so tiny, so you can have like full sentences in your nails. So being the Hellraiser fan that I am, I did some UV nails in Hellraiser theme with some words. We have such sights to show you. Got some other characters on there you might recognize. So super proud of my nails. Very happy to have this new hobby. And if you guys want some custom nails with these themes, I'm also going to be releasing new themes in the future as the seasons change. We're getting into Thanksgiving and Christmas, so I'm going to have some fun themes there. But my stuff is kind of edgy. It's more related to like cinema and kind of characters that we all recognize and love. Things that you wouldn't normally be able to find in the store because they might be a little bit violent, gory, bloody, things like that. So that's what I want to do with my nails. I think that's fun. That's up my alley. I like cool stuff. All right. Well, thank you guys so much for paying attention to me in this video. The Maker 3 is an awesome tool, and I can't wait to show you how to do all these things, but we don't have time for all that today. I just wanted to do an introductory video and let you see all these cool things and think about buying one because you might just want to make shirts or stickers for your next convention. Thank you guys for watching. Smash that like button and subscribe. Please. Please. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you. Bye.